Let us discussion about the equation of the line. Equation of the line is an algebraic conditions. It is a mathematical expression. Simply, to which I can say that what we can say, if you go on, I can say that uh, in that equation, if you go on putting the x and y value, and if you take all those points, set of all those points which you satisfy that algebraic conditions, and if you draw on a graph, try to understand. If you draw, I can say that on a graph, what we can get some geometrical figure that is called line. Very important thing. If you take all those set of points, if you and which will going to satisfy that algebraic conditions and draw on a line on a graph, what we get, you can get that particular line. If I put a point on a I can say that equation, if I put x and y coordinate, if it is satisfy, it will tell whether it is, if it is satisfied, then the condition is going to become whole. Left expression, left hand and the right hand side becomes equal. But if it is false, point it does not lie on that line. That is called actually the system. Now coming to the equation of a line horizontal or parallel to the x-axis. Suppose here that equation is represented by y is equal to a, because in that case is equal to a always. If any variable x, you can take x is equal to minus 2 a 0 or 3, the y is fixed. Why this is the equation of a line parallel to this? If you take all those points which are going to satisfy y is equal to a, whatever, if you draw on a graph, you can get the line which is parallel to the x-axis. Therefore we can say that y is equal to a is the uh, equation of the line here. That's why, because if you take all those points, means y is equal to a if in irrespective variable a, and that is why we can get line, that is called, that's why you can say that is equation of the line parallel to the x-axis. Similarly, x is equal to b is an, and irrespective of y is any variable, you can get this is the equation of line parallel to the y-axis. Because if you take all those points and keeping x constant, y may be any value, and which satisfy x is equal to b, you can get geometrical figure which is vertical to the y-axis. Therefore you can say that the equation of the plane x is equal to b is, then only thing, horizontal and y is equal to constant, y is a constant value, and x is, y is fixed here and x is a variable coordinate. In vertical, x is constant, y, in equation x is equal to constant means x coordinate is fixed, y is the variable. This is how we can understand the equation of the line.